Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. How many degrees does the Earth rotate each hour? Is it A. 15, B. 24, C. 30, or D. 40? The answer is A. 15.
The Earth spins at a rate of 15 degrees per hour, completing a full 360-degree rotation every 24 hours. This precise movement is why we experience day and night. Interestingly, this rotation speed means that the equator travels at about 1,037 miles per hour, faster than a commercial jet.
Question 2. Which term in psychology refers to the process of reverting to an earlier, childlike form of behavior? Is it A. Dissociation, B. Repression, C. Projection, or D. Regression? The answer is D. Regression.
Regression, a fascinating psychological defense mechanism, can manifest in adults as reverting to childlike behaviors when faced with stress or trauma. Imagine a grown-up throwing a tantrum or seeking comfort from childhood toys. This behavior highlights the mind's intricate ways of coping by temporarily escaping to simpler times for emotional relief.
Question 3. What is teleology the study of? Is it A. Bryophytes, B. Ticks and mites, C. Mental processes in living creatures, or D. Ends or final causes? The answer is D. Ends or final causes.
Teleology, the study of ends or final causes, traces its roots to ancient Greek philosophy. Aristotle famously used it to explain natural phenomena by their purposes rather than mere mechanics. This concept intriguingly suggests that everything in nature has a purpose, much like how a clock's gears work towards telling time.
Question 4. In which organ is a clear watery solution known as the aqueous humor found? Is it A. Kidney, B. Pancreas, C. Testicles, or D. Eye? The answer is D. Eye.
The aqueous humor, a clear watery fluid in the eye, plays a crucial role in maintaining intraocular pressure and providing nutrients to the lens and cornea. Interestingly, this fluid is continuously produced and drained, completing its cycle every 90 minutes. Without it, our vision would be as murky as an unwashed window.
Question 5. What is serpentology the study of? Is it A. Snakes, B. Disease classification, C. Society, or D. Prehistoric metaphytes? The answer is A. Snakes.
Serpentology, the study of snakes, delves into the fascinating world of these legless reptiles. Snakes have existed for over 100 million years and can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Some species can even fly by gliding through the air, using their bodies to catch wind currents.
Question 6. A young hog is known as what? Is it A. larva, B. a codling, C. a caterpillar, or D. a pharaoh? The answer is D. a pharaoh.
In the world of swine, a young hog is charmingly called a pharaoh. This term not only refers to the piglet itself but also describes the act of giving birth in pigs. So, when a sow farrows, she's bringing forth an adorable litter of future bacon makers.
Question 7. What chemical compound causes pain in muscles after exercise? Is it A. Stomach acid, B. Amic acid, C. Pectic acid, or D. Lactic acid? The answer is D. Lactic acid.
Lactic acid, often blamed for post-exercise muscle soreness, is actually a misunderstood hero. It's produced during intense workouts when oxygen levels drop, helping to generate energy quickly. Surprisingly, lactic acid is cleared from muscles within an hour after exercise. The real culprit of soreness is microscopic muscle damage and inflammation.
Question 8. How does a scout bee communicate to other bees about the location of flowers? Is it A. Buzzing, B. Dancing, C. Whistling, or D. Singing? The answer is B. Dancing.
Scout bees perform a fascinating waggle dance to communicate the location of flowers. By shaking their bodies and moving in a figure-8 pattern, they convey precise information about distance and direction relative to the sun. This intricate dance is like a GPS system, guiding fellow bees to nectar-rich blooms with remarkable accuracy.
Thanks for tuning in to our science and nature quiz. Remember, knowledge is like gravity. What goes up must come down into your brain. Stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Let's part ways for now, until tomorrow arrives. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.